for various life activities is produced by the breaking down of glucose obtained from food by using oxygen in the atmosphere. How does oxygen in the atmosphere reach cells? It is the respiratory system that helps in producing energy continuously. Respiratory system starts from the nostrils. Minute hairs and mucus present here prevent the entry of pathogens and dust particles that may enter along with air to some extent. Nasal cavity, which is a continuation of nostrils, opens into the pharynx. Esophagus and trachea begins from the pharynx. Trachea is the tube that connects pharynx to lungs. Larynx, which helps to produce sound, is present at its beginning. Epiglottis present above the larynx prevents the entry of food into the trachea. The wall of the trachea is strengthened by C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Cartilaginous rings help trachea to remain open always. Cilia and mucus present in it help to expel the foreign bodies. Trachea branches into 2 bronchi and each of them enters the lungs. Each bronchus further branches into bronchioles. The pleural fluid present between the double-layered pleura membrane, which covers and protects the lungs, reduces friction between lungs and wall of thoracic cavity during the contraction and relaxation of the lungs. Each bronchiole enters separate air sacs called alveoli. Alveoli are surrounded by large number of minute blood capillaries. Gaseous exchange takes place here. Alveoli increase the respiratory surface area of lungs and thereby increase the rate of respiration.
The thin-layered alveoli of lungs help in the exchange of gases. The arteries reach here, branch profusely into capillaries and cover the alveoli. Later, these capillaries combine together to form veins. The concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood capillaries is higher than that of the alveoli. So, carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses the alveoli. However, the concentration of oxygen in the alveoli is higher than that of the capillaries, so oxygen diffuses into the blood capillaries.
Air from the atmosphere enters the alveoli due to inspiration. Exchange of respiratory gases take place in the alveoli. The structure of alveoli is suitable for this. Alveoli is covered with numerous blood capillaries. Oxygen from the alveoli enters the blood in the capillaries. The concentration of oxygen is high and that of carbon dioxide is low in the alveoli. Due to this, oxygen from the alveoli enters the blood capillaries through diffusion. Hemoglobin of RBC transports oxygen. Each hemoglobin molecule consists of 4 iron-containing heme molecules. They combine with oxygen to form dark red oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin reaches tissues through blood. As the concentration of oxygen in tissue is less, the hemoglobin releases oxygen and becomes free. The freed oxygen enters cell through tissue fluid.